Okay, so as promised, here's a quick demo of Q3ME for 3ds Max in regards to exporting terrain. I've created this basic terrain here, a skybox, and an info player start, just to get something to play around with. The terrain is really just some modifiers slapped onto a simple plane, as you see here. It's just a stack of noise maps, displacement modifiers, then the texture assignment to make it nice and pretty, some Q3ME specific stuff that's using UV unwrap modifiers to create the alpha poles, which I'll display in a moment. What you see as black now is visualizing the places where black alpha fade poles will be spawned by the exporter. Let's disable that again and get on to setting it up for export. To do that, we just add a Q3ME tri-sub modifier. This tells the exporter to treat every single face on this mesh as a brush or as a patch. If you use brushes, you have to set this brush depth to something larger than 0. And we need to give it a backside shader, which I want to be system/calc and not command/calc. I want to generate alpha fade poles, which has a tutorial link down here. And to do that, I need to set my alpha source to 3, as I'm using UV channel 3 for my alpha, and I'm using a mask on channel 4. So now that that's done, I think it would also be tremendously helpful to have this as a font group, in case I want to edit it later down the road in Radiant, which I really don't, but let's just do it anyway. Simply type in func_g, and there's the font group. Great! And that's that. We have set up our terrain to be exportable. Now we start Q3ME. Oh, there it is. Let's just scroll down, or close these until we get to export. We can type in the name, which is going to be terrain demonstration 1. That might be a little wrong. Let's just name it TerrainDemo 1. Export map. Yes. File saved. Fantastic. Let's give it a quick compile down here. Let's just do base p meta. Compile. Map is not leaked. Fantastic. And let's hope that OBS captures the game. Launch map in engine. Fingers crossed. Oh, this seems to be working. Fantastic. There we go. Simple terrain. Actually, let's try a light compile. Let's do my full test. Taking a while. Fantastic. Launch game. Okay, the shader seems to have some issues with this area. Might just be the shade angle is too low or something. But for a quick test, this is more than satisfying, I think. Alright, see you in the next video.